After the two promising stars of Bollywood, Hrithik Roshan and Ranveer Singh, opted out from Karan Johar's ambitious film Shruti, seems like a Mr. Perfectionist Aamir Khan too decided to work on the same lanes. If reports are to be believed true, then Aamir has also turned down the offer to play the lead in Kejio's film Shruti. Apparently, the film script was sent to Aamir after Hrithik opted out from the project. Back then, Aamir was not interested in the film and Karan Johar then offered the film to Ranveer Singh, with Ranveer declining the offer, but he chose to take up Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film Bajirao Mastani instead. Kejio apparently decided to again offer the film to Aamir Khan. However, we have learned that this time too, Aamir has decided against taking up the project by saying that the script didn't work for him.